Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing of this 7MI Smart Dust Camera Pro with the module. You need to buy it separately to enjoy, of course, all the features of this 7MI unit and this GPS module. Well, let's see into the box. We've got Design Award 2019. Nice box. Very premium. Some specs we're gonna find out together as I'm going to open this box. Same here. Now let's see what we have inside one by one. There is the 7MI, nice plastic case. Okay, we've got the cable that it comes with the 12-volt light adapter. Of course, you've got another socket, two socket, that's very convenient. We are not going to waste your one 12-volt socket of your car. That's for you've got a second USB output. And we can see it is 5-volt, 2.4 amps and 1 amp. Max is 3.4 amps, that's nice. The length of the cable is about 4 meters, is enough for installation. And there's the GPS module. It will lock here into the 7MI dust cam. Slide it and it will lock. And then you can stick it to your windshield. Or if you don't have the GPS module, you've got this plastic. The only use is to stick it to your windshield, nothing else. And of course we've got, and this plastic, it will help you to install the cable. Maybe if you want a better installation of the cable, you can pick up the rubber sealing around of your car and then you can insert the cable inside. Well, let's see this Dustcam 7MI function buttons. Here is the lens. We have a super high resolution of 1944p, 2.5 times of the 1080p. By adjusting the exposure balance, Dustcam captures creator details in darkness and brightness. Stunning shots day and night. With the f1.8 aperture and 6 glass lenses, it can creatively enhance night vision and obtain sharp, color accurate image. 5 megapixel Sony sensor dual core high silicon processor. It is the IMX335 sensor, and the powerful high 3556 V100 makes an extraordinary camera for your recording. All that in the book are very nice, but we're going to find out as we're going to test it. We've got an advanced driver assistance system, boost your driving safety. That means you've got a lane departure warning and forward collision warning. Of course, only available this feature is with the GPS module that needs to be purchased separately as a set. It can give us 24 hours parking surveillance. Dustcam will automatically start recording where there is a collision being detected by the built-in G sensor. It will remind you to check the event video when you go out to the car. And that's how it will start the automatically record. And where you are going to shut down your engine, then after 30 minutes it will start the system to work. We've got on recording when you're driving, on guard when you're away. We've got an app control that is very convenient. You can download on iOS or Android system, allowing you to view and download HD video through the Wi-Fi in real time. That's very convenient. That means you do not need to take out your micro SD. There's a micro SD slot and the micro USB charging port. You do not need to take out your micro SD to put it into your laptop or your desktop to read your videos. You can do that through the Wi-Fi in real time. Look emergency video to event file to prevent overwriting. You can free your heart by voice control, command without hands, and drive with safety. As you're driving, you can say take a picture, record a video, turn off screen, turn on. There is some varieties of commands we're going to find out. Fog and defogging, we've got an algorithm can effectively reduce destruction and degradation of the image. And we've got the WDR technology. can adjust exposure, balance, enabling the camera to pick up the greater detail in darkness and highlight. Nice design, that means you can put it into your windshield and no one will see it behind the rear view mirror. Of course, we've got the loop recording. It will auto override the older footage with the latest one to save space for your micro memory card. Speed and GPS coordinated display, and again it is when you've got this GPS module. And again, you need to buy it separately. And of course, we've got this sticker included and the manual. We can see this is for the installation, and you can see it is an electrostatic sticker. Peel off that, stick it to your windshield, and then you can stick your dust cam if you want with the GPS module, or if you want with this plastic for the installation. And same, it has here. Here we've got two of this electrostatic and the manual for the Dustcam MI Pro. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me and you're gonna find out all about this product. I find it a great price with a module about 55 euros. That's a great deal. And here you can see it is rotatable. You can adjust it after you have installed it into your windshield. That's very convenient. You're gonna find out the right angle when it's recording. We've got the logo. Power button, press and hold 15 seconds to reset. Let's take that peel off. And function button, there is 4 function buttons and there is the power button. Now let's to charge. I'm going to use this micro USB to charge it for the first time. 7 MI, travel safety every day, welcome. We can see we've got a blue LED. No, this is not a touch. The function, green is recording, blue is non-recording, and the red is error. Press and hold the power off, tap to power on. Take picture, record video, turn on screen, turn off screen by voice control. Set system time. We are 2020, as I remember. Okay, let's cancel. Scan QR code to download and install the MI app for photos and videos. Okay, let's go to the...
Please insert SD card. Please insert SD card.
Okay, I'm going to use the 128 GB, and this is the Samsung Evo Plus. There's your SD card.
Please format SD card.
Okay, as you wish. Formatting. We've got a green light. Okay, let's go to the setting. Wi-Fi hotspot disabled. Let's go collision sensitivity low. Now let's put it on high. Of course you can disable it. We've got a format SD. System time. This is the month. We are on 26 and the time is 18. Well, it's not going faster, as you need to push it every time. Okay, save. Screen off time 1 minute. Always on, yeah, 1 minute is okay. Advanced settings, power on, Wi-Fi disable, video coding, it's okay, video resolution, let's see what we've got. We have a higher 1080p, 2560, 1440 and 2592, 1944. Let's put it on high. Recording direction, we've got a recording direction. You can record 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Well, let's put it on 3 minutes. Speaker volume high, moderate and low. Well, I will put it on high. Power on sound, enable. Let's see what it is. Enable or disable. Okay, enable. Parking surveillance system, disable it. Well, I'm going to enable it, but something tells me, okay, yeah, sensitivity. Let's go to sensitivity is high, love it. Turn off cam time. When you're shutting down your engine, it will wait the time that you have choose, then it will start the parking surveillance. I think in 30 minutes is okay. Nice, let's go back. ADAS. ADAS GPS module not detected. Well, let's insert it. Now you're gonna find out the GPS module. Yep. Move the dust cam to align the car head with the head lighting area. Next step, done.
As calibration starts, please keep your speed at 20 kilometers per hour or higher.
Okay, that will be nice to do it when you're driving, obviously. Well, let's stop that. Oh, we've got a system update. Oh, let's see. Use app to detect, download and push update packages to the dust cam. Wow, nice. Restore firewall settings, about. Yeah, I'm sure that we will have an update. Now let's see, we've got a recording start. Okay, that's recording. Recording has been closed.
Start recording emergency video.
With a push of a button, you can start recording emergency video. It takes about 15 seconds. You cannot stop this emergency video, you need to wait.
Recording complete.
Nice. Entering the gallery will stop video recording. Continue.
Shawmine stops recording.
Thank you for the info. Normal, emergency and photo. Emergency, I think it was the video that is just recorded. Let's go back.
Calibration failed.
Yeah, I know. We are going to calibrate it when I'm driving. Well, I think it's time now to download the app to see how it goes, and from there we need to enable the Wi-Fi hotspot. Turning on Wi-Fi hotspot. Yep, we have the 7Mi Pro, add the device. We need the 7Mi Dashcam Pro. Nice, and confirm the hotspot Wi-Fi is on. Yep, it is on. Next. Allow only when using the app. Check your Wi-Fi hotspot password. You need to go to your smartphone Wi-Fi settings and put the password from your dashcam and connect. Open the app again. Loading. Keep connection.
Tap the confirm button to authorize.
Yeah, confirm. And there it is. We can see from our dashcam into our phone live. That's very nice. We can check the photo album. Okay, we have a normal, event, parking and photo. And you can play and download all the videos from these files. And again it will connect. And of course you can take photo from your smartphone. Let's go to the settings. Now we can see power on Wi-Fi settings. Power on Wi-Fi settings, okay. Power on sound we've got on. Here we've got all the settings that you've got into your dashcam, and I think from the app is better. Sound recording on. Screen off time, we've got 1 minute, yeah. System time, okay. That was very helpful. Yeah, system time you can synchronize from your phone. That's nice. Voice control all. Collision sensitive high, speaker volume is large. We've got a video decode in 265-264 and the video resolution, choose the right for you. Recording direction, I put it on 3. Logo watermark, let's leave it on. And of course you can change your Wi-Fi password of your dashcam. The local grid frequency, NTSC 60 and PAL 50. ADAS, we are going to calibrate it as we are driving. This is for the GPS module calibration. Format memory card restore to default. Well, all the settings are great, definitely they will help us, and I think now it's time for installation, and then I will take some footage at the night and on the day. I will test the car collision, the lane assistant, the parking surveillance. Of course, all that it is with the GPS module. and we're gonna find out if all that are working great or not and if it's suitable for us. And here is the parking surveillance in action. Well, I was trying to shake my car very hard, but it didn't work. And after that I have decided just open and close the doors, and then it will start to record with the parking surveillance. Well, I would like to record when someone moving my car or is passing through my car. Well, this feature is not in this 7MI. I hope in the next maybe, or in a firmware update.
Calibration succeeded. Lane departure. Lane departure. Lane departure.
Testing 1, 2, 3, testing. This is a testing of this 7MI DAS cab.
Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Lane departure. Motion detected for the vehicle ahead. Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Lane departure.
Well guys, that was all about this 7MI DAS cam. You can see how it works at the night and at the day, the parking surveillance, the lane assist, the collision, everything are working great, and the GPS. I didn't manage to work the voice assistant, I don't know why. Please leave down below to the comments what is the problem if you know something. Well, if you need something like that to your car, I think it's a very good solution to your own security, and to have a video record when you need it in the right time. And with all of that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.